Hi class! So today we're going to be talking about the plant life cycle. First off, what do we actually know about the plant life cycle? We're going to be working from a chart where we're going to talk about all of the things that we know and then the things that we learned, and at the very end we're going to go back and look at it and see if our predictions were correct. So what are some of the things that plants need to survive? They definitely need water, nutrients, light, and soil. Here's a vocabulary list we're going to be working on during this unit. Some of the words we're going to be learning are photosynthesis, germination, H2O, nutrients, flower, stem, roots, leaves, and oxygen. In your buddy pairs, you're going to be working from your vocabulary notebooks. We're going to look these up in our desk dictionaries, and you're going to write down your definitions along with a little picture to help you remember what each of the words mean. When we finish with this, we're going to go and look at what photosynthesis is. Photosynthesis is the process in which flowers or plants get their nutrients to grow. This in itself is part of the plant life cycle, but not part of the overall plant life cycle. So, plants need light energy to grow. They create oxygen, and as they're growing, they need water and nutrients from the soil to get big and strong. The carbon dioxide from the air creates more oxygen, which is what we breathe. So what are the steps in a plant's life cycle? First, we plant the seed, or the seed is planted naturally. The roots grow deeper, and then the stem starts to poke out from the soil. Leaves grow from the stem, the leaves wilt, the plant dies, and the process begins again. So how does photosynthesis affect the life cycle of a plant? You need photosynthesis for the plant to grow. That's where the plant's food comes from, photosynthesis. So what does the entire plant cycle look like? We're going to watch this video as a group, and we're going to be able to see the life cycle in its entirety. Once we finish with our video, we're going to work on these two worksheets together. We're going to be identifying and coloring the photosynthesis process, and when we finish with that in your buddies, we're going to be working on the life cycle of the plant. You're going to read to each other and then determine if the answers are true or false. That's what we're going to be doing in our lesson. We're going to have a great time. Thanks for listening.